dear listeners, to another episode of Anila Shabani's podcast. So, today we embark on a journey through the intertwining paths of college and career preparations. A voyage that for many is riddled with anxiety, excitement, hope, and trepidation, but it's a journey worth taking. So you see, in today's fast-paced world, the importance of preparation cannot be understood. Whether it's applying for colleges or launching into the professional world, the foundation steps we take set the trajectory for the rest of our lives. Let's dive deep into this. First, consider college. It's way more than just a 4-year experience or a place to take a degree. It's a transformational period. It's where young adults cultivate their identities, develop lifelong friendships, challenge their beliefs, and of course, acquire knowledge. But the college prep process, that is where things can feel a little bit overwhelming. I mean, with a sea of options, how does one navigate? The key here is researching. A lot of researching. Understand what you want from a college experience. Is it the reputation, the community, or maybe the courses, or perhaps the location? By aligning your personal goals with what a college offers, you'll find a place that feels right. Now, while college is a fantastic route for many, it's not the only path to a successful career. Vocational training, apprenticeships, online courses, and more have all paved ways for countless individuals to craft meaningful and prosperous careers. In today's digital age, skills are often valued as much as, if not more than, degrees. The world is changing, and it's essential to recognize and adapt to these shifts. And this brings us to career preparations. Once the capped and grown are stored away, the real world beckons. Preparing for a career isn't just about having a polished resume or even acing the interview. Though those are undeniably crucial, it's about understanding the landscape of your chosen field, networking with professionals, and most importantly, being adapted. The job market involves and rules that exist today might be not longer used for tomorrow. Continuously learning and upskilling have become not just buzzwords, but necessities. To those at the crossroads of college and career prep, here's my advice. Embrace the uncertainty. While it's essential to plan, sometimes the unexpected turns in life led to the most extraordinary destinations. Invest in yourself. Whether that means formal education, maybe soft skills, or simply broadening your horizons. But remember, preparation isn't just getting into a good college or landing that dream job. It's about equipping yourself with the tools and mindset to navigate the intricate tapestry of life's opportunities and challenges. In conclusion, whether you're grinding up for college or stepping into professional world, know that your journey is unique. Cherish it, learn from it, and always remember the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. And then no two journeys are the same. Take heart in knowing that every decision, every step contributes to your story. Stay curious, stay resilient, and always be kind to yourself on this adventure. Until the next time, keep forgiving your path and create your legacy. And lastly, dear listeners, I want to leave you with one more thought. Your journey through college and career preparation is not just a means, it's an integral part of your life's tapestry. Embrace the challenges, savor the victories, and most importantly, stay true to your dreams and ambitions. As you navigate to the unique course of your own life, remember that it's okay to deviate from the plan sometimes. For it's often in those unexpected detours that you discover the most extraordinary aspects of yourself. Keep your passion alive, and may your journey be filled with endless possibilities. Until our next episode, keep forgiving your path and create your legacy. And dear listeners, as you embark on this journey, remember to stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the opportunities that come to your way. The road may have its ups and downs, but with determination and preparation, you'll pave a path to a bright and fulfilling future. So this is it for today's episode. Good luck, everyone, and hopefully you enjoyed this episode as much as I did, and take care.